Hi, friends, it's Summer with 31, and I was just emailing a customer and doing a pink bag call and or a touch point, and I wanted to share with you guys something that I thought might be helpful for you. So I am on my website, and I know that there are a lot of my customers that have a preference for a certain pattern that we offer, a certain color palette. Maybe, you're a fan of our black and whites and our neutrals, or maybe you're more of a bright and bold person, or maybe you like our whimsical prints. There's a lot on our website that is new. Some of it's new, some of it's not new, but there's a lot of features on our website that you may not be aware of. But I wanted to share with you just a quick little tip. For example, this particular customer of mine is obsessed with purple. And so I wanted to share with her the items that we carry that I know she did not realize that we had in her favorite color, purple. So if you're searching for something in particular, this is an easy way that you can find it. So you just go to my website, which is savvytotes.com. I'll show you how that looks right there, up there. See right there, savvytotes.com. And then all you're going to do is you're going to, and while I'm here, you might want to check out the Ideas We Love blog because there are some really great articles here and ideas for you. But you're going to click on shop, and then under print collections, you can very easily search all of your favorites. So whether you're into solids, or maybe, like I said, you're into the black and whites, or maybe you like seasonal colors, which is where I'm going to take you now. You can just click on that and it's going to show you everything that is new in our seasonal colors collection. So again, she loved purple. So we have a Geo Pop collection, which is all purple and some grays, some taupes, and it shows her all of the products that we carry in that particular collection. Same with the Geo Stripe. So you can see that there's a lot of things that she might like to have. So, if you're really a big fan of dragonflies for whatever reason, check it out. You can click on the dragonfly days and see exactly what products come in those prints. So I just thought that I would share that quick little tip with you so that you can see what is here, kind of play around. If you're a lover of 31, there is a lot of great tools on this website for you to kind of play with, and even the personalization studio is new if you haven't checked that out lately. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Have a great day.